going on, guys? This is our picture manipulation tool slash program. It's a Python project for beginners and advanced users alike. Let's demonstrate it. Pretty simple. It makes circles like this go in a grid or over the picture. Click one and move it. Simple. It's a very As you can see, this circle disappears because this is a prototype. Very first draft. It's a picture manipulation tool. Picture cut tool. You can make the circles smaller. You could make them, you could put hundreds of circles in there or thousands, make them smaller, modify it, upgrade it, whatever. It's a Python project you can do for beginner and advanced. This is it here. Picture manipulation tool. Click the circle and move the circle somewhere else. Brings the graphics within the circle along with it. The picture graphics. This is a very first draft version of a prototype. Press pause. Press pause. Look at the code. Study the code. Look at the code. The source code. This is the source code here. All right, that's it. Let's demonstrate it. Cool. Oh, sorry about that, guys. It's just a prototype. Very basic stuff. You could have hundreds or thousands of small circles if you want. Upgrade it. Improve it. Cool. That's it, guys. Picture manipulation program. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys next time. This is a Python project you can do for beginner and advanced coding project. Picture manipulation program. Basic stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys next time.